My name is Fred Hudson. I work at Chevy Garber Automall here in Green Cove Springs, Florida. I'm one of the senior sales associates on the floor here. I come in, I greet people, I show them around the inventory, and I do my best to try to steer them to the vehicle they want that's going to fit their family's needs, budgets, facilitate the car purchasing experience. I've worked for Garber Automall a little over 2 years. Some of the things that the dealership does for us is, if we have a spectacular month, they will have get-togethers outside of work where we can have fun, play pool, go to the golfing range. The company always offers incentives and bonuses on the weekends. One of my most memorable moments here in Garber was probably the first time I sold a car all by myself with no help. It was a 2014 Dodge Minivan. I'll never forget it. Before working for Garber, I was in the restaurant industry for over 20 years. I started out as a dishwasher at 15, and I held every position in a restaurant except the general manager position. COVID kind of changed that trajectory. I wanted to find something that was a little bit more stable. I think me taking a chance on being a salesman, this place has changed my life. Selling cars has changed my life. Something people would be surprised to know about me is I have several rescue animals, cats, a few rabbits. If it had fins or fur, I've had it. The best piece of advice I've been given was by Robert Trude. Forget about selling, forget about this, all that stuff is gonna come. He's like, just go out there, make a friend, and you'll sell a car.